Managing your websites is easier when your team works together. Let's see how to invite team members and manage their access using the Instant Website Builder app by websites.co.in. Open the Instant Website Builder app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, and select Team Management. Since no team members have been added yet, tap Invite User to get started. Under Content and Design, choose the permissions you want your team member to have based on their responsibilities. Next, under Store and Commerce, you can control access to products, orders, and shipping by enabling the required permissions. The Insights and Communications section lets you manage permissions for inquiries, subscribers, notifications, and analytics. You can also manage permissions under Business Settings, allowing team members to access important business configurations when required. Under Marketing and Growth, you can manage permissions for promotional and growth-related activities based on your team's responsibilities. Now, enter the email address of the team member and review the selected permissions before sending the invitation. Once you've verified the permissions, tap Send Invitation. The invitation is sent successfully, and your team member will receive an email to join your website. Simply tap Go to Dashboard to access the website based on the permissions you've assigned. That's how easy it is to invite team members and manage access with the Instant Website Builder app. Download the app today and start building your website with confidence.